In this video, we're going to cover how to replace a power supply on a 1U chassis, a McAfee product. And to remove the power supply, lift the lever, the black one, push the lever, the green lever to the left and pull. And the power supply will be removed from the chassis. Obtain the replacement power supply, pull it out of the static bag, place it in the port and push until you hear a click, and that will be in place for operation.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we share more videos.